What earns a lot? A good intention or a bad intention? Earning money in a business is a good intention, but selling drugs in a business is a bad intention. But there also you can earn money, but law will take care of you because it's illegal. Here I am saying about a bad intentions with legal coating. Example of same profession which can be earned through a good wish and bad wish also. A bad intentioned doctor wishes let everyone in the world fall sick so he can earn a lot. A good intentioned doctor wishes every sick person in the world get cured from him so he can earn a lot. From both, you earn a lot. Intention to be good. Because if a doctor had a bad intention that everyone falls sick, even if every sick comes to that bad intention doctor, he will not cure the sick 100% because the sick has to visit again and again. That is the bad intention. If the sick goes to the good intention doctor, the doctor cures him 100% because he can get other sick patients due to of his 100% cure after a long time. The bad intentioned doctor gets negative publicity and good intentioned doctor becomes hero. What earns a lot? A good intention or a bad intention? Both earns a lot with hero image and villain image. In business, better to have a hero image. Continue to watch next on Your Target in Business is Baseless. Your target in business is baseless. The actual purpose of the target is to achieve the target. How the target is set? Most of the targets are set based on expectations. When you set the targets for your sales team, you will become so greedy that you will set a pointless, a baseless targets because they are taking the pressure. You set a target of 100. If your resource hits the target 100 with great difficulties, and for next month you will increase that to 110 shamelessly with same capacity without increasing the powers, the facilities or additional resources. It's called as a pointless pressure to the sales team. Target has to be set not based on expectations. It's based on the qualification of your brand. Weak brands sets high targets to the sales team to increase sales. Instead, they have to increase their brand value first. There they have to keep expectations that how much I want to increase my brand value through quality and etc. Our target should not be at sales at all. Our product should be my next product should be 1% better than the previous product. My next service should be more value add than the previous service. Sales team should achieve the same target next month with lesser energy. That's indirect increase of efficiency. Focus on your product. The market itself breaks your expected target in future and you will be surprised. Not only get is the target, improvement should be the target. Continue to watch next on what should not keep on doing on business. What should not keep on doing in business? Earnings, you should not be doing it. It should happen automatically. It should happen by itself. In business or life, whatever you do, you will get results for sure. Difference is good result and bad result. You kept on manufacturing the best manual gear cars and it is giving very good results on road and car owners as they are using best manual gear cars. Continue the same in future, you will get the same continuous good result as well. Suddenly a worst automatic gear cars introduced in market and car owners got craze about automatic gears and started reducing buying best manual gear cars. Market for manual gear cars got down. Still you are doing the same good thing, but why the results are bad? Because if you keep on doing the same thing and same thing, you cannot expect a different result. You have to keep on doing the different changes to expect different results. Insane is doing the same and same and expecting differences in result. How it can happen? If you keep on doing what you are doing, you keep getting what you are getting. You will not get what others are getting. Switch and switch. Then your business will become rich. Continue to watch next on Hardworking reduces the quality of your business. Hardworking reduces the quality of your business. Your guess is wrong. It's not about smart work. In a construction site, a laborer is shifting a stone from one side to other side. In a day, he shifts 100 stones with the hard work. Does the energy remain same on shifting the 100 stone, the last stone of the day? The quality of efficiency is reduced, right? If a doctor attends 20 patients a day. Do you think the last patient will be lucky? The quality of diagnosing that patient may get reduced, right? Because on 20th patient he may be little tired. The whole business consists of a total products or total service. To increase quality of your business, each output should be the same quality. If a doctor attends only 10 patients a day, by taking gap or leisure from one patient to next patient, his quality remains same. Every human mechanism should take a gap between one output to next output to not to lose the quality. How Monday to Friday working companies perform well than the Monday to Saturday working company. In one country, companies work Monday to Thursday, and those companies are top performing in the world. Keep a gap between one activity to next activity, the quality of activity gets increased. If workers enjoys to work in your company, you will enjoy by not working for your company because they are taking care of it. If they work hard, the hard work reduces the quality of your business. Continue to watch next on delivering on time will not give growth to your business. Delivering on time will not give growth in business. Your business will move forward, not upper growth. Keeping up the delivery timeline promises, majority of the business does. It is just a survival. There is a secret. For the sake of sales, you will give all the promises and overcome it, and client is happy with your words initially, and sales got converted. Heads appreciates for this nonsense conversions and even celebrates later when it's not delivered on time and the same client damages your brand, and you will blame on production and handover team. Of course the business will not grow and one day it shuts if it continues the same. As I told, the company will survive if it delivers on time. Now here comes the growth secret. Don't overcommit, try undercommit, and take care of sales got converted with alternate efforts. Initially the client may not be that happy because you gave the promise which is opposite to their expectation. Now you deliver before the timeline because you initially undercommitted, not overcommitted. You already have lot of buffer time inside your system secretly. When you deliver it before the time, the client is much happier than the on time delivery. If you are capable to do the same with everyone, it surprises everyone, and consumers will increase your brand value for this reason. Of course, the product or service to be good in parallel, and this also contributes a lot. Don't overcommit and underdeliver. Undercommit and overdeliver is the growth combination. Continue to watch next on what's important in failure. Why you have to watch my video? Because you have to scan your business plan. What will happen if you watch my video? You will only identify the simple mistakes in your business if you watch my videos. I don't believe in none of your business. I believe your business is my business. I don't believe in none of your business. I believe one of your business. Common sense is sufficient. New sense is efficient. Come and join with New Sense Binoy. Hope you all are SSLC holders. Shared, subscribed, liked, and commented. For me to become your PA